go after walleye. Do a little bit of bottom bouncing with scented lures and some bait. So come along for the ride, and I hope you enjoy. Okay, we made it to Lake Newell. The boat's launched. We're gonna get out there and get on some fish. And of course, I forgot some of my camera gear, so we're gonna have to do this old school. Each of us is gonna have to hold the camera while the other one catches a fish, but it should be pretty good. So let's get on that lake and get on some fish. There, I got one. He came this way, that's why I didn't know he was there. What do we got here? Little pike. First fish of the trip is a little pike. Oh, and he's off. Oh.
Nice release.
Yeah, perfect. Okay, let's get back to it. There I got one. Walleye. Walk. Oh, and he's off.
Has he got any size, that thing?
Nice long, slim pike. Get him back. Oh, and he's self-released and gone. Perfect. Okay, let's get back to it.
They love them swim baits, eh?
Catching a lot of pike.
Typical Alberta pike, like a 2-pounder in these lakes.
Probably another pike. Darn.
Yeah, that's a good one.
Oh, and he's off. I would have liked to show you that, but that's okay.
Could have netted him.
Yeah, that's alright. We'll get back at it. Perfect. Pop's got one on the red dot frog. He's trolling. This wind is just pushing the boat really bad. Hopefully you can hear me. How's it feel?
It's
Good one? Oh, there he is. Oh yeah, that's a nice one. Nice pike. Yeah, that's okay. Okay, let's unhook and release him. Never mind, he unhooked himself right when I was lifting him up. Oh well, let's get back to it. Pop's hooked another one. See what we got here. There it is under the boat. Oh, he's taking a bit of drag. Where is he? What do we got here? I see him down there. Yeah. Yeah. There's another pike. Okay, should we get this guy unhooked and released? See if I can get a look at him first. There he is, the little guy. Okay. Well, once again, Pike got off while I was trying to stabilize the hook. That's okay, you got to see him, so let's get back to it. get a look at this guy. Off. Suited, so I'd say it's right. Yeah. Nice fat little pike. Yeah, let's get him back. There he goes. Perfect. Okay, let's get back to it. We're just bottom bouncing and letting the wind push us.
Wow.
Don't want to come up. Be a really nice one. We're in 38 feet of water. Wow, these waves are beauty walleye. Beautiful walleye. Beauty.
Yeah, that's a nice one.
Okay, let's get him back in the water. There he goes, gone. Perfect. Okay, let's get back in. Well, unfortunately, the wind is pushing us off the lake, but at least we caught one walleye and a bunch of pike. It was quite a bit of fun, so hope you enjoyed the episode, and until the next one, get out and fish big.